In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to own an NFT on OpenSea. First, open your web browser and go to OpenSea.io. This is the homepage of the marketplace where creators list their NFTs and collectors browse, filter, and buy. Once you're there, look for the collections option in the top navigation. Clicking collections takes you to a curated view of projects rather than individual items, which is perfect for exploring themes, communities, and verified creators. Next, use the filter panel to narrow things down. Start with category. This helps you focus on what you're actually interested in, whether that's art, music, trading cards, or other types of digital assets. Picking a category keeps your results relevant and reduces overwhelm. Then, select chains. NFTs live on specific blockchains, and your choice matters for fees and compatibility. Choose the chain that matches the funds in your wallet and your fee tolerance. Different chains can offer lower transaction costs, so filtering by chain helps you avoid surprises at checkout. Now set a floor price range. The floor price is the lowest current listing price within a collection. Using this filter lets you stay within budget and quickly find entry-level pieces. If you're price conscious or just browsing, this is a great way to discover accessible options. If you already know the project you want, you can also use the search bar at the top to jump straight to it. Type the collection name, confirm it looks legitimate, and open the collection page. When you find a collection you like, click it to open and browse the items. Select the specific NFT that catches your eye to open its detail page. Here, review the artwork, properties, chain, and price. When you're ready, click Buy Now to start the purchase. On the checkout screen, click Change if you want to adjust the payment currency available for that chain. This is helpful if you prefer a particular token that your wallet already holds. Choose the payment option that fits your setup, then click Save to confirm that selection. Finally, click Buy to proceed. At this point, your wallet may prompt you to approve the transaction and confirm the network fees. Review the details carefully, then confirm. After the transaction is processed on the blockchain, ownership transfers to you, and the NFT will appear in your profile and wallet tied to the selected chain. That's all there is to it. By filtering smartly, verifying details, and choosing the right payment option, you can confidently own an NFT on OpenSea.